Hi there, Brunei Deribs here again with another tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Makeupplus app to edit your pictures. Makeupplus app is a really great app. On the app, you can adjust your makeup. You can add makeup to your face using the app, and it doesn't look fake like all those other apps. It actually looks good, and you can actually you can adjust it easily on the app. So I'm going to just show you guys how to work it with one of my pictures. All right, let's get into the tutorial for today. Here's the Makeupplus app. You can get it on your iPhone. I don't know about Android. So here you go to touch up, you select the picture you want. So I'm going to be working with this picture for today. Immediately you get on the app already edits it, auto edit. So I'm just trying to go back to making the picture what it was before. That is what I'm doing right now. Trying to put everything back to the original settings. I'm adjusting everything back to 0 so I can get the original picture, because I didn't like the edit the update for my picture. So now I want to start editing it the way I want it to be. You smoothen your face out, you can do that. Okay, first and first, I go into lipstick. I change the lipstick shade to whatever I want it to be. After changing the shade, you can always adjust it. Slide left, reduce, slide right, increase. I'm just looking for the right shade that looks good on this makeup. There's so many shades, and all these are free. The app is really good though. It's just to enhance your makeup. You have to be on makeup already before you can use this app, by the way. So next, eyelash. You can pick any one that you don't see diamond sign on top. The ones that will have diamond sign on top, you have to pay for it. So I'm just going to select anyone that shows a little bit, and I'm okay with it because I'm already on lashes on this picture. Then you can always adjust it as usual. All this is under touch up. I've not ever used the counter or the others. I just use the touch up. So we're just looking for the fine eyelash. This might take a while because I can't really see what's going on. So I use classic at the end of the day. So now for the blush, there are different shades. The yellow shade, the blended, the mauve. Just be going through the various shades and adjusting them, because if you leave it like that, you just be looking crazy. Nice, right? Just adds color to your face. Beautiful. I'm just selecting the blush that I think looks nice on my skin. I know the app said everything is free. It does not mean you go crazy and be packing colors on your face. It's just whatever looks good. You can tap the picture to see the previous and now. So going into eyebrows, select the one that fits your face and you can adjust it. Remember, going to the left is to reduce the intensity, going to the right is to increase the intensity. You can also change the color by the left side there. So now contour, you different shapes of face. My face is a heart shape, so I had to use the heart contour, but I'm adjusting it to reduce the intensity. So for foundation, this one is a bit tricky. It can look a little bit crazy. At first I didn't want to use it, but I'll go back to show you guys how to use it. I'm still going back to eyeliner. Then you pick any one you want, increase the intensity, go back and forth. That's just editing for you. Another good thing about this app is that you can actually save your edits. On Facetune you can't save it, and it's quite tiring that you have to do it over and over and over again. Okay, for contacts you just use the one that they didn't put diamond sign on top and you're good to go. So I picked the first one, but I think this was brown. This is Cosmic. Very pretty. I really like this color. I should get this in real life contacts to be nice. But let's move on. See the different colors that they have, and you can reduce or increase the intensity. I think I ended up using Cosmic because why not? Just all the colors that we have to use. If you don't want to do this, you must not do this. So you just edit your pictures the way you like them. I'm just showing you guys everything the app what the app can do. Like I do this all the time. I'm just showing you guys what's up, what's new. So this is cute. Just reducing the intensity and pushing it back to see how the picture looks like. All right, eyeshadow. Zoom in to see what we're doing. See the first one, smoky, nice. Like I just love this app. Normal makeup apps, they always look crazy whenever you put them on. Is it just me? But this one, it just suits you. Like they did it really good. They really tried for this one, for at least lots of color. Like the other apps normally just works for white people, if I'm being honest. But this one just goes well. So I'm just looking for the different color shade. Which one looks nice on this makeup? I think I ended up picking Sunset or so. Was it Sunset? I don't know. So now eyelids, for those of us that don't have, they've come to save us. Just pick any one you like. Just look at the picture. Does this look good on me? You can always adjust it, the intensity. Just go back and forth with it and just enjoy editing. Like this app is nice. This post was not sponsored in any way, but I was like, wow, first makeup app I'm seeing that is really working out. Too deep, and the others good. All right, next one, hair dye. I've never used it. I'm just using it to just show you guys what's up. You know, this app, when I'm done with this editing, I try to use it for my other pink picture, just to copy and paste the thing, because that's just the best thing. Like you can copy and paste edit on the same type of picture, even on any picture, basically, whatever you like. So I just use the color of the hair dye, natural hair color, use the same dye. I'll show you guys what's here. For those of you that don't have beards, they've come to save you guys. It's really nice. Well, I don't need all this, so I just need to forget about them. These are decorations. So I think they used your theme. I'm showing you the different themes. The pictures that I've edited before, they are going to be in that theme. So pause. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe now. Pretty please. Yeah, let's continue the tutorial. Back to foundation. Foundation can be a little bit tricky. If you don't want to do this, don't bother. I was just trying to use all the features on the app to get it done. So I used the lighter one and I reduced the intensity because your girl ain't white. It was really nice. It still came out okay. It's not bad. Maybe with time I'll be able to really get it, but like Nah, the foundation wasn't really doing it for me. So now for your face, now you can adjust your chin, your nose tip, your nose, voila, different things. Just enjoy the app. You can whiten. I don't know who will use this part, but okay. You can smoothen, slim face, enlarge your eyes, and just whiten. Just trying my best to see how it will be like, but I think I ended up using slim face. That's like to reduce your chin, but that was looking crazy, so I just had to go back. Please don't go and do too much, then at the end of the day you'll be looking at like your picture, do not come and be dragging you. It's alright, so we're done. Saved. Lovely. So now that I've saved this picture, the theme is going to be saved on this app, so I can use it for any other of my pictures. So I'm carrying the same theme. I'll show you guys using the theme. I'll just pick that picture and voila, it's on this same face. You see the eyes, everything is there. Good, we're good to go. Saved. Finito. Bye. Now we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned one or two things from me, and if you know you learned something, please comment below, and don't forget to like and share this video with whoever you think would gain from it. And I'll see you guys in my next. Bye, loves.